So today's video is all about Hongdae.
So when you think of Hongdae, a lot of you will think of the nightlife. So if you watched a couple of videos back, we went out here in Hongdae and the nightlife here is really, really fun.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the.
But what about in the daytime?
Well, let's start right here
At this Winter's Village, which is...
It's a dog cafe.
I think they're huskies, right?
No, they're not huskies.
They're not huskies?
No.
What are they?
I think they might be Akitas.
Akitas?
Yeah.
He's huge.
He's an angel.
Now, if you've been watching the vlogs for a little while, you know that I'm not a big fan of dogs. They scare me a little bit, but I kind of want to put that fear behind me. And these dogs are absolutely adorable. So we've come to this place called Winter's Village in Seoul, in Hongdae. And yeah, we're gonna go in and sit with some really cute dogs. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm buzzing. I'm gonna get hair all over me.
Let's go and pet some very cute dogs. Let's go.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 the two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간
It's a big dog. Look for you.
But I thought you ate all your treats. Oh my god, he's actually like a wolf.
He's such a big dog. He's in my dreams.
Crazy how fluffy they are. Oh, he's gonna be so mad. We just made him sit. We ran out of treats because he ate them all. Look at that face. His feet.
They're such big feet. I love them.
They are cute and that was cool, but they just bark so much. It definitely scares me a lot. We want to try and get Em to get a picture with the big one over there. Oh. Em does this magic era with cats and dogs and they love it.
Oh.
강졸리? 강졸리 씨. 졸리야.
Okay, so how did you find it in there?
Oh, I thought they were cute. I liked them.
I think they
like
are
big
really
dogs.
cute. They were really cute, and I think they were well behaved, but there was a few times when they was obviously barking because of treats or jumping up, and I was like, just not for me. It just makes me a bit nervous.
Yeah.
But they are really well behaved, and they're really cute, and they're really fluffy.
I also think it's quite a well-run
Yeah.
dog cafe. Like cat cafes are everywhere, and some of them are a lot nicer to be in than others. Others kind of feel a bit weird. You got like a set of treats from the first floor, and then if you went up to the second, you got a set of treats there, but not too many. Maybe like 6 each. And so the dogs aren't really being overfed in that way by only like one person.
And they're always being watched out for as well, because there's always people standing right near you, and they're making sure that everything's okay. So I just think it was really well run, and it was really sweet, and they are really adorable. And watching them upstairs when they have the ice and they're all jumping up onto the table,
That was really
that
cute.
was so cute. So now we finished with that dog cafe. We're actually going to head to another animal cafe, but this time it's sheep. There's literally even a meerkat cafe.
Make everything a cafe.
Can you see them?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is where the sheep cafe is. It's called Thanks Nature. And we sit down there with some sheep. A bit peculiar if you ask me.
Yeah, it looks like there's like a whole cafe thing behind it. There can't be sheep in the cafe because they're taking them chairs out.
I don't know. Maybe they're just outside. No, I think there are some inside. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Yes.
I'm not that fussed about stroking sheep.
How random is that? It's just some sheep outside. Anyway. So behind me is a really, really fun activity. We actually just stumbled across it. It's 4,000, right? And it's basically like a little shooting range, like an airsoft range. And you get 35 bullets, 4,000, and then you get your little card to keep after. And it was a lot of fun actually, wasn't it? We did really well. Alright, let's get out. It's getting real. Smash that, doesn't I? Sunday is definitely a really cool place to come if you want to have a really fun day, because there is so much to do here. There are games bars, there's vintage shopping, there's dog cafes. Yeah, but it's just a really, really, really cool part of Seoul, and I definitely recommend checking it out on your visit to Seoul. So we just went to the supermarket and I was really craving an ice cream, and they have this, and it looks like corn. Is it going to be a corn ice cream? I don't know. The old lady in the supermarket told me that it's delicious. Oh my god, it smells like corn. It actually looks like a bit of corn. Oh god, I don't know how to feel
Oh,
about
it's like
this.
a cornet. Or is there a corn in there?
It's literally like a thing of corn. No, it's
No,
ice
this
cream
is
and
like
chocolate in the middle.
Like a cornet, surely. I don't know. Oh, what? You like it? It's weirdly quite good. In the picture it worried me because there's a little picture here and it looks like there's corn inside the ice cream. Maybe there is. It's just vanilla ice cream. But it smells like corn.
I think I've...
You've got a bit of corn.
Yeah. Like that.
There's sweet corn in the ice cream.
I think it is sweet corn. That is, look.
Oh my god.
Is that sweet corn?
Yes.
It's actually really good though. What did you get?
I just got a chocolatey caramel type cornet. They're actually really cool here because they have all of these different tabs. You start with this one. And so they unwrap quite perfectly. Whenever I have one of these at home, I always rubbish the unwrapping.
So you can like go down in layers.
Yeah, so you can go down in layers.
Oh. She's taken all of the chocolate off with the top of her thing.
Not all of it, there's a bit there. I only got this because I thought Fees would be rubbish and I'm not massive. Now you're just going to eat all my chocolate?
No, I'm doing a little bite.
No, go on, you can have it.
Also, we had this yesterday. Nerisse bought it back. And it's a Fanta milk soda. It was actually pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was weird, like it kind of tasted like, it tastes like cream soda back at home, which is my absolute favourite, but more milky. Anyway,
corn.
The bits of corn are really weird. But I just wanted to show you this ice cream because I've seen it over Asia quite a lot actually. I remember seeing these in Vietnam and Thailand and I just never got it because it was always so strange. And I was really craving ice cream, so I thought, why not? But now you know what corn ice cream's like too.